Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to find coupons on Amazon. This is a great way to save money on your purchases by discovering products that have special coupon discounts available. Let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and log into your account. Make sure you're signed in so you can take full advantage of the coupon deals and have them applied directly to your cart. Now that you're logged in, look at the top toolbar of the Amazon homepage. You'll see several options there, and you want to click on today's deals. This section is where Amazon showcases its current promotions, limited time offers, and special discounts. It's a treasure trove for anyone looking to save some money. Once you're in the Today's Deals section, you'll notice a row of categories near the top of the page. Use the left and right arrows to browse through these options. Keep clicking through until you find the one labeled coupons. When you spot it, click on it. This will take you to a dedicated page showing all the products currently offering coupon discounts. Now you're on the coupons page, and you'll see a wide variety of products available. Browse through the results and click on your preferred item or product. Take your time here, as there are often some really good deals hidden in this section that you might not find elsewhere. After clicking on a product, you'll be taken to its detail page. Here you'll need to select your preferred options. This could include color, size, or other variations depending on the product. Be very careful during this step. Make sure to select your preferred size, color, or other options that are available, because the coupon price might not be available for all variations. Some colors or sizes might not qualify for the discount, so double check before moving forward. Once you've selected your options, look for the section that says Coupon Price. You'll see a checkbox beside it. Check this box to apply the coupon discount to your purchase. This is a crucial step, because if you skip it, you won't get the discount even though the coupon is available. With the coupon applied, head over to the right panel and click Buy Now. This will take you directly to the checkout process, allowing you to complete your purchase quickly. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your shipping address, fill in the required details, or select a saved address if you've ordered from Amazon before. This ensures your item gets delivered to the right location. After that, select your payment method. Choose from your saved payment options or add a new one if needed. Amazon offers various payment methods, so pick the one that works best for you. Finally, click Place Your Order or Place Order to complete the purchase. And that's it. You've successfully found and applied a coupon on Amazon, saving yourself some money in the process. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.